Hello CarScoops faithful, this is Stephen Rivers. We're driving the all-new 2023 Toyota GR Corolla, and this is the Morizo edition, the top of the line with all the power and no back seat. I can't tell you anything about the driving experience yet, but I can let you listen to it. Motorsports complex. A nice, fun little technical track, nothing too crazy. Well, what did you think of the way that sounded? I think it sounded pretty good, but let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'll have a full review for you very soon.